we as actors, I've seen this, or whoever, there's a lot of ego at play. Very base example I'm giving you, things that have happened with me, that somebody's come to me with something and it's not resonating with me. And I've said no. Ego पे लग गई कि ना कैसे बोल दिया. And it's not a good thing. For an actor, being egoistic is the worst thing. How do you tackle that? So what is ego? How does it hinder in your performance as an actor or as an artist? And how do you tackle it?
So, ego is many things, but specifically in the context of this question, ego is that recognition and appreciation that we are all looking for.
Yes.
है ना? We are all looking for that importance somewhere, because for every person they are the center of the universe, right? तुम अगर आइसलैंड में एक आदमी से बात करोगे तो वो बोलेगा कि आइसलैंड बीच में है, फिर यूएस इधर आता है, एशिया उधर आता है, वो उधर आता है, क्योंकि उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखो ना.
तुम अपनी पिक्चर के खुद हीरो.
करेक्ट. हम सब अपनी पिक्चर के हीरो हैं, इसलिए पिक्चर वर्क करती हैं, इसलिए स्टोरीज इसलिए वर्क करती हैं क्योंकि वो एक प्रोटैगनिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होती हैं. अगर तुम 20 प्रोटैगनिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से स्टोरी बताओगे तो वो वर्क नहीं करेगी, बिकॉज वी कनेक्ट कि हाँ, ये इसकी लाइफ की जो एक जर्नी है, ये मेरी जर्नी है, या मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ इस जर्नी को. इट्स बिकॉज दैट प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स फॉर दैट फिल्म. सो वी आर ऑल्सो द सेंटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. सो नन ऑफ अस वांट रिजेक्शन. None of us want to be that we hear a no. Now, some people just get better at tackling with it. Some people don't get good at tackling with the rejection. So if sometimes, but then that's not your issue. At the end of the day, you will want to do something that you want to do.
Right.
Right.
Of course, yeah.
And if the person in front wants to get offended or feel rejected, then all you can do is just convey it in the most sensitive way that you can.
Correct.
That's all you can do. And even if it's not meant to be कि आगे नहीं काम करेंगे तो ठीक है, पर हमारे इंडस्ट्री में को tomorrow you'll become a star, then that person will come back to you with another script. So this also happens, right? Then egos are also very relative to who you are going to.
Correct.
And the reason why, if you also feel it sometimes, is because in your head you also want to be somewhere. It's got nothing to do with where somebody else is.
Correct.
It's that you want to be somewhere. And when you know you're not there, then you feel hurt. And this is everybody feels hurt. End of the day, ego ही hurt होती है.
Correct.
And acceptance of our journey can actually really make this much better.
Like, कभी-कभी फिल्म सेट पे क्या होता है कि a lot of improvisations are going on and things are going on, तो वो वाली बात आ जाती है ना, अरे मेरा लाइन खा गया. I mean, that's the most basic example of on set while performing ego tussle I can think of right now. कि तुम वहाँ पे हो और वो आ जाता है मेरा लाइन खा गया. So you're immediately out of what you're doing.
Yeah.
And then you're again you start focusing on what the other person is doing.
Yeah.
So वो लगता तो है कि तुम इतनी मेहनत करके आए हो एंड और कोई दूसरा आकर कह रहा है कि नहीं, इसे ना ऐसे चेंज करके द सीन बिकम्स अबाउट दैट पर्सन एंड फिर तुम वहाँ पे बैठे रहते हो, तपते रहते हो अपने अंदर के यार चलो. हाउ डू यू
I can just tell you how I tackle with this personally, because I think everybody will have their answer. I've always believed in just keep your head down and be at it. I've believed in that. Because the moment you do this, then you're like, ये भी ऐसा हो रहा है, ये भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है, ये भी सही नहीं है, ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. So I really like to do this, which is okay, I need to work on this. I need to make this better. Today what I did this here could have been this, okay, so without judgment.
Correct.
So you take your focus from what is happening outside of you to what could you do better. And the moment you change that focus from outside to inside, you're just making yourself better. That's all you're doing. Because what somebody else does outside, you cannot change that. You cannot control that. So why even get bothered by it? अगेन वो हमारी ईगो होती है, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना कि when somebody says something to us, it's not a rejection of us. You know, we always take anything which is slightly negative as a rejection of our entire self. You know, like very simple example being in an actor's life. One thing that every actor goes through is an audition.
Right.
And when you don't get through the audition, you take it as a personal rejection. It's not a personal rejection. All it means is, yeah, this person is not fit for this part.
Correct.
For whatever reason. You know, you may have given the best performance of your life, but maybe there is something else that they are looking for.
Correct.
And someday you'll go and ask तो बहुत ठीक ही हुआ, but no, this is very close to what I want. Acting हम दूसरा round करो, तीसरा round करो.
Correct.
Let's do 3 rounds of audition. By the 3rd round you're also good.
Yeah.
So they're like, हाँ ये इतना basic तो है कि I can work with this person. So we don't know, na? We don't know, but we take everything as a personal rejection. You know, somebody behaving a certain way.
Yeah.
We take it personally.
Yeah.
So to recognize कि नहीं मैं क्यों इसको ऐसे personally ले रहा हूँ, वो मेरे को थोड़ी कर रहा है, वो तो that person's way of working, that is that person's way of functioning. अगर आज सनी की जगह कोई और खड़ा होता तो भी यही होता.
Correct.
It's not about me.
Yeah.
It's about their thing. But we don't realize this. We take it very personally. And that's where the ego also comes in the picture.
Yeah.
You know.